G'day, cutting some tiles today, and if you're looking to cut straight lines in tiles in the cheapest, most effective way, a tile cutter like this is the way to go. They retail for about 40 bucks, all the way up to like 300 bucks if you want a really fancy one. They'll cut up to 300 mil tiles. I'll show you all the features and exactly how to use one. Okay, I've got a heap of subway tiles here. I need to cut them all along the edge. There's probably about 10 of them I need to do. I'm going to actually mount this in the vise here, and we'll line them all up and we'll cut them all square. If you need to cut complex angles or compound cuts around switches and other things like that, you will need to use something more like this, a diamond disc or a wet saw. These will only cut straight lines. It's a straight line, then you break the tile and that's it. For the most part, when you're tiling, straight lines are mostly what you need, but if you do need to do complex cuts, you will need a wet saw as well. Okay, we're simply cutting the tile. We've got the tile here, I've marked it, we've put it in the center. There's a little center mark on here and we have measurements against this foot. We push it hard against the foot here. We've got a wheel on the tile cutter here and a anvil here for breaking the tile into two bits. We want to put a little bit of pressure on the tile right at the start where the wheel is, and we're just going to skive it all along the edge. All the way to the other end. Now we only have to really do this once. Once we've got a skive all the way along the length of the tile there, we want to put the wheel into this little recess here. We don't want to push the wheel into the tile, so we want to do it right at this end. Got the anvil here. I'm just going to apply a little bit of pressure until the tile breaks in two. Just like that. We've got two halves of a tile. Obviously that's the bit we don't need. And that's the measurement that we do need. And they're all the same length. It's that easy. And if you want to cut straight lines with the tile cutter, it's that simple to do. It's a very cheap and effective way and very quick if you're cutting en masse way to cut all your tiles. Thanks for watching.